All right, it's about to happen, guys. It looks like it's about to happen. SoFi is less than 50 cents away from all-time highs. It's up 2.5%, and well, every index in the U.S. market is ripping. So it looks like SoFi is about to hit all-time highs, guys. So we have to cover the charts, what I'm looking to do, and we'll break down some other stocks later in the video. But first, guys, come on, hit the like button, subscribe, join the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio. Every single week I post updates. That's linked down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Take a sip of your coffee. I'm definitely going to take a sip of it right now. And let's dive into it, guys. Oh, man, don't you love it? Don't you love it when stocks are doing what they're doing today, guys? S&P 500's up over 0.5%. Nasdaq's up over 1%. Russell's up, holy smokes, 1.7%. As the Dow's up about 0.25%. The Dow's not doing the best, but hey, 0.25%. We're pretty much at all-time highs. What more could you ask for, right? So crazy day overall after we got yesterday's 25 basis point rate cut. You guys saw that, right? And we're going to get 2 more rate cuts by the end of this year. So we got some more clarity there. The market likes it, and here we are. We're taking off. And again, SoFi is less than, I think, actually 40 cents from all-time highs. Either way, 40, 50 cents from all-time highs. And you guys can see we're starting to break towards the highs from actually 2 days ago. 2 days ago in the pre-market, we hit $28.14. I think that was what, on Tuesday? Yeah, today's Thursday. So Tuesday morning, we hit 28.14. We dumped right after that pretty much all the way to 26.66, and then we actually took that low out yesterday. Yesterday we hit 26.15 at the lowest point. And notice what we're doing today. Notice this, guys. This is critical. We actually, as of now, are maintaining a higher low here. As of as I'm making this video, we're maintaining a higher low. We're not taking the low out from yesterday. In fact, we kind of have an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this right here? Inverse head and shoulders on SoFi. And it kind of looks like it's playing out, doesn't it? It looks like we're going for this 28.15 level, which would mean the inverse head and shoulders plays out. And if that breaks, guys, if we take out that pre-market high from Tuesday, guess what? Guess where we're going from there? All-time highs. All-time highs are coming from there, guys. We hit $28.26 in February of 2021. We're almost there. We're just about 50 cents away from that point. And yeah, it's right there. So SoFi is so close. The inverse head and shoulders looks great. We're breaking out above both moving averages on the 1-hour chart, on the 30-minute chart. So watch for that push towards the high from Tuesday. I'm telling you guys, that's going to test whether it's later today, at some point tomorrow, maybe even next week. If we test 28.14, not if, when we test it, watch for the break. If we get out of there, if we break out of there, this could be going all-time highs and a lot higher from there. You guys heard my prediction. You heard my prediction in the past. I think we're going to $30 plus this year, and that's not that bold, that crazy of a prediction considering where we're at, but I think we could get a $30, $35 price on SoFi stock this year. And I told you guys before, and I'll say it again, I am not against locking in some, not all, some profits in that range if it gets there. Me personally, I'm not against it. Just saying, I'm putting it out there right now so you guys are not like, Stas, you locked in profits. Oh my God, what are you doing? Newsflash, guys. The stock market, investing, you do it to make money. At the end of the day, if you're not making money, if you're not locking in profits, what are you doing? Unless it's like a long-term, super long-term like ETF or something for retirement. If you're playing with individual stocks, it's smart to take some money out especially if you're up hundreds of percent. It's smart to do that. But yeah, we'll cover that when the time comes. But for now, I'm holding on tight. I'm waiting for that break, and I think it's coming. And from there, honestly, I think we're going to $30 plus, no problem, in my opinion. Of course, guys, it's just my opinion. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's the quick breakdown here on SoFi for today. And overall, the overall stock market is doing great. What more could you ask for? The Russell is now about 30 points from all-time highs. This is the only index that hasn't hit an all-time high in 2025, guys. Yeah, now we're actually less than 20 points away from that high, which we hit in December of 2024, I believe. Or no, maybe November of 2024. Either way, about a year ago, we hit all-time highs. We haven't hit them since. I think we're going there for sure on the Russell. In my opinion, the Dow hit all-time highs probably yesterday. No, guys, it hit all-time highs today. It hit all-time highs today. So Dow's ripping, which it has been. I mean, that's no secret. QQQ, fresh all-time high today as well. We hit 598, so almost $600 on QQQ, guys. And SPY, which is the popular S&P ETF, hit 665. So we're hitting milestone numbers. Dow's almost at 50K. Russell's getting close to 2,500. We have SPY getting close to 700. QQQ's getting close to 600. These are some milestone numbers we're hitting on these indices, guys. It is insane. It is insane. And look at some of these stocks. Intel today, guys, which I might make a video on it later today, but if I don't get to it, we'll cover it right now. Intel is up 30% on the day, guys. 30% after we got news. Nvidia invested $5 billion into the company at like $23 a share. And by the way, Nvidia stock's up over 3% just when it was dipping into the 160s. The stock's starting to rebound. It looks like buyers are coming in right at this critical support at 170, which is good. Now we're back in the mid 170s, high 170s on Nvidia. So I like the way that's setting up. But man, Intel has been getting a lot of good news. A lot of good news lately. Catalyst after catalyst. And again, Nvidia just invested $5 billion. They're going to be building some let's see here, guys. PC products deal, $5 billion. Let's see here. I'll read this little headline for you guys. So by now, I'm sure you guys have all seen it, but they're investing $5 billion in Intel for AI, essentially AI PC products deal. We're not going to get too deep into the specifics, but under the deal, Intel will build Nvidia's custom x86 CPUs for AI infrastructure platforms and new x86 system on chips that integrate with Nvidia's RTX GPU chiplets, according to the companies. And they actually, if you guys didn't know, they actually have a press conference coming today, 1 p.m. East Coast time, which I'm for sure tuning in for. I don't know if I'll make a video on it, but I'm watching it. You guys should watch it as well, especially if you're in either stock. I don't own Intel, but I do own Nvidia, and you guys know that. I've made that abundantly clear. You know, it's well known that I own Nvidia stock, but I don't own Intel. But man, 30%. I would be very ecstatic if I was an Intel stock today. If you're an Intel, I mean, the odds are at least one of you are watching this video. I'm happy for you. It's been a long time coming. This stock has been struggling, and look, it's still down on the 3-year chart big time, but it's recovered a lot of ground over the last year. I mean, think about it. Last August, Intel was at $18. Heck, just last month. Well, a year ago it was at 18. Just last month it was at $18, $19, $20. So it's making a big move. We've had a lot of big deals come in, and I think it's going to, I don't know for sure if it's going to go up to 50, 60, 70. I don't want to make that bet. I'm not too confident in Intel like I am and was in Nvidia when Nvidia crashed. You know, when Nvidia crashed, I was loading the boat. I mean, it was a no-brainer. I'm not that confident on Intel, which is why I don't own it. But hey, man, who knows where it can go? It could go higher. You never know. But with that being said, guys, let me know your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe, follow along for more content, and check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my real money portfolio. We post trades every week, all the all the moves, options, trades, long-term investments. They're posted on Patreon, linked down below. Check it out, or go to stasserfest.com/Patreon, stasserfes.com/Patreon. I'll catch you all there. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next video.